Government must operate on parallel tracks, maintaining fiscal discipline while at the same time exercising creativity in stimulating economic growth and creating jobs for our people. This government will have a laser-like focus on economic growth. Critical plank of the growth agenda is to reduce the uncertainty of government action, reduce the time for decisions, flatten the hierarchical structures, and speed up the bureaucratic processes. The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation will be augmented with the establishment of the National Policy Office that will drive economic growth policy. Jamaica will be at its best when its most talented graduates see a career in public service as among their highest possible ambitions. The government will be pursuing public-private partnerships as a strategy to boost economic activity. And we're going to put together a new RFP to get the ball rolling on waste-to-energy. The refinery is critical to solving a lot of our own local inefficiencies. Cabinet will soon review the foreign trade policy. The government will appoint a Caribbean Community Review Commission aimed at positioning the country to take full advantages of the benefits under that organization. This government, Mr. Speaker, is serious about debt reduction. The government of Jamaica has commenced discussions with the World Bank with a view of pursuing debt reduction through innovative debt swap schemes. We will not stop here. The government intends to apply the proceeds of divestment to either increasing capital expenditure or towards reducing debt. It takes too long to pay taxes in Jamaica. The government will complete phase 3 of the implementation of the Revenue Administration Information System. The tax system will be overhauled and reformed to promote reliability of taxes, equity in taxation, and economic efficiency. We have come to this house, Mr. Speaker, and we have delivered 1.5 plus. Government will intensify the implementation of shared services models, where some core functions will be provided centrally to gain efficiencies and cost savings, while offering a higher standard of service to the people of Jamaica. This government will seek to accelerate the implementation of the National Identification System, which falls directly in the office of the Prime Minister. As Prime Minister, I am not going to allow crime, in particular murders, to derail the economic growth and prosperity of the country. And I am proposing Leader of the Opposition and spokesperson on national security, that we somehow have to meet one-on-one and determine how we make a political pact against crime in this country. If you are not thinking of owning a house or building a house, now is the time to do it. the government will adjust the current home grant policy. The National Housing Trust proposes to increase the loan limit from $1.5 million to $2 million for a house lot loan, effectively July 1, 2016. Over the next 3 years, the NHTA will partner with private and public sector entities to develop over 10,000 housing solutions for contributors. I want to move Jamaica to believing that we are worthy of robust economic growth, that we are worthy of prosperity. Indeed, we are destined for prosperity.